Hey everybody, today I'm working on an 18 by 24 canvas. It's a little bigger one today, and I'm going to be doing a double flip and drag. I'm not sure if I've done a double cut before, so I'm gonna give it a go today. And the first color that I've got is from Soho Urban Artist. It's Payne's Gray. The second color I have is from FolkArt. It's White Pearl. The rest of the colors are from Liquitex Basics. I have medium magenta, quinacridone magenta, and dioxazine purple. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get my gloves on, do a little prep work, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got my gloves on, and I covered the whole canvas with the white pearl. And I'm just going to go ahead and start putting my colors in the cup. And I'm going to start with the first cup with the Payne's Gray. Now, I don't know if I'm going to need this much, but we'll see. I'd rather have a little more than not enough. So then I'm going to go with the quinacridone magenta. Dioxazine purple, and all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and that is my own mix. I keep that mixed together in a jug, and it is 60% Liquitex, 30% Floetrol, and 10% water. I put all that in a jug, keep it mixed up, and then when I'm going to make my paints, I just mix it up until I get the right consistency. It's been working for me for quite a while now, so I'm gonna stick with that. Alright, so that's the first cup. The second cup, I think I'm gonna start with the purple in the bottom first. And the medium magenta, and let me see, we'll go with the quinacridone magenta next. A little bit of the White Pearl. Okay, and now we'll put in some of this really pretty Payne's Gray. And I think I'm just going to put a little bit more magenta on the top of that. Just a little. Okay guys, so here's the first cup. I am just going to flip it. I'm going to flip each one of them first, and then I'll move them around after. So here we go with the first cup. And the second cup I'm going to put over here. Oh my gosh. That's really good. That never happens. I usually have a bunch of, paint splash out, so. Alright, I'm going to let it sit there for a second, and then I'll start moving it around. Okay, so I'm going to poke a hole in the bottom of this, let a little bit of that air out. Before I start, I'm going to do one cup at a time. Oh, that one's already coming out. Here we go. I'm going to try to be really easy because I have a tendency of not. Oh, just like that. That's what I thought. I do it every time. Alright, so I'm just going to drag it. There we go. Okay, we're going to try it again over on this corner. Just a little bit out. This one's actually gliding pretty nice. I'm going to go through that. All right. Got some cool stuff happening right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go over it with my torch. Got a few air bubbles there. Okay guys, so here we go. I'm gonna start moving. So I'm going to take you in for a closer look. It's been about a half an hour, and I just want to apologize first about the glare. I cannot get my lights situated correctly. It's getting a little dark in my room. It's later in the evening, so it's a little bit harder to situate them sometimes, but it's worth it because look at these colors. They are so vibrant and pretty. Oh my gosh. And there's so much detail that's happening. There's cells coming through, there's lacing. It looks so pretty. The colors are coming up through. Look at that right there. That I love. And these colors just blended really, really nice. So I'm super, super happy so far. And I love that right there. That's really pretty too. Those colors are coming up through there some more. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I really, really love this one. I just love the colors, the detail, a few cells, not a lot, but just the way the colors blended. I mean, look how pretty those colors are. So I'm super happy with this. I really, really love the middle. I love that. The whole middle is really cool. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.